How to make cells grow in Excel as you type them. One of the most common visual issues in Excel is text overflowing into the next cell or getting cut off because the column is too narrow. You shouldn't have to manually drag column borders every time you enter a new data point. Today I'm showing you the mechanical shifts required to make your cells grow and adapt to your text automatically as you type. Okay, so the fix number one is the AutoFit shortcut. If you have already typed your data in, the fastest way to adjust the width is to hover your mouse over the border between the two column letters at the very top. Okay, and when the cursor turns into a double-sided arrow, just double-click. And Excel will instantly auto-fit the column to the widest piece of text in that list. Or the other way to do it is right-clicking on your Open tab right here, and then going into View Code. And then this new one that appears in this new window, under the general dropdown, choose worksheet. And then in this new window, you just type in cells, dot, then entire, then press on entire column, then dot again, and then auto fit. Then just press Ctrl S to save. Okay, save that. And now you can exit out of here. And then we have also auto wrapping for vertical growth. So if you wanted the cell to grow vertically rather than stretching the column wider, you need to enable the text wrap. So just select the cells or columns you want to modify. I'm just going to choose the random one. All right, then on the Home tab, navigate to it, select Wrap Text. Right here, this button. Right, and now as you type and reach the edge of the cell, Excel will automatically increase the row height and move the text to a new line. This keeps your column widths consistent while ensuring every word of your professional notes or descriptions remains visible. So that's it, guys. This is the combination that will ensure your spreadsheet maintain a high performance look without requiring constant manual resizing. If you'd like to explore how to automate this further using a small piece of code, or if you need help with row height limitations, let me know and we can take it the next step. In general, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.